Welcome back everyone for our live classes. In our today's English class, we are going to read a new chapter. A chapter about Riya. So we are going to read about a girl whose name is Riya. Let us begin our reading. Can you see? Riya is standing over here with her beautiful family. Oh my God, what a beautiful family Riya is having. I can see that Riya's mother is here, then father, grandfather, grandmother and a small little baby. Let us read about Riya's life. Read this picture story about a little girl called Riya. Riya is 6 years old. She lives with her parents, grandparents and her baby brother Raj. You know what? Riya is of 6 years. Riya कितने years की है? That is 6 years. Riya lives with her parents. वो अपने parents, grandparents और एक baby brother के साथ भी रहती हैं. Baby brother का name क्या है? That is Raj. Riya is saying something to us. Hello, I am Riya. This is my family. Riya is introducing her family with us. She is saying, hello, I am Riya. This is my family. This is my family. Next, this is Riya's mother. Her name is Rani. What is her name? Her name is Rani. She is a doctor. Rani helps Riya with her homework. What is the mother's name? Her mother name is Rani. And do you know what? She is also a doctor. Her mother is a doctor. Rani also helps Riya with her homework. Daily she helps her daughter in homework. This is Riya's father. His name is Rohit. He is a teacher. Riya loves playing cricket with her father. Do you know who is he? He is Riya's father. He is Riya's father. His name is Rohit. The father's name is Rohit. He is a teacher. He is also a teacher in a school. Riya loves playing cricket with her father. Riya plays cricket all the time with her father. Come on Riya, hit the ball hard. What does the father say? Father says, come on Riya, yay, hit the ball harder. Very good. Riya's grandfather cooks lunch every day, every Sunday. Riya loves to help him. What does the grandfather do? Grandfather cooks lunch every Sunday. On every Sunday, he cooks lunch for the family. And do you know what? Who helped grandfather all the time? Riya loves to help him. Riya उनकी help करती है every Sunday lunch cook करने में. Wow! Grandpa, what are we cooking today? Riya asks from the grandfather. Grandpa, what are we cooking today? आज हम क्या बना रहे हैं? Grandfather says, we will make some rice and dal, my dear. What are we going to cook? We are going to cook some rice and dal. Then we will cook some beans. We will also chop cucumber and carrots for salad. What does grandfather say? Grandfather ने क्या कहा? Grandfather told that we are going to cook some rice. Then we are going to cook some dal, my dear. Then we will cook some beans. We will also chop cucumber. Chop means cut. And cucumber is a vegetable used as a salad normally. So what does he say? We will chop. Chop means cut. And carrots for salad. Riya's looks after the family garden. Ria loves the roses and lilies that grow there. She helps her grandmother on weekends. This is Ria's grandmother. What does she do? She looks after the family garden. She loves gardening, you know. So she looks after the family garden. Ria loves the roses and lilies that grow there. जो lilies और roses garden में bloom up कर रहे हैं. She loves them. She helps her grandmother on weekend. What do you mean by weekend? Weekend means the end of the week where we mark. जहाँ पर हम mark करते हैं अपने week का ending. That is Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday are known as weekend. Grandma, she asked something. Ria is asking something from grandmother. Grandma, can I water the plants today? क्या मैं plants को water दे सकती हूँ? Yes, my dear. Yes, you can. Grandmother replies, yes, dear. Why not? You can water the plants. One day, you know what happened at Ria's house? Ria became very sad. Her cat is missing. She missed her cat somewhere. The cat, she is not able to find her cat. What did happen? Ria said, Polly is missing. The name of cat is Polly. Polly is missing. I can't find her anywhere. What did happen? Ria started crying and Ria said, oh, Polly is missing. I cannot find Polly anywhere, Mama. Mama says, don't worry, Ria. Polly will come back soon. Polly jaldi वापस आएगी. Don't worry, baby. She must be hiding again. Might be वो आपके साथ फिर से छुप के खेल रही हो. Hide हो रहा कहीं पर hide कर रहा हो. Hide means when you are not able to see something, when you are hiding behind something, when you try कि आपको कोई ना देख पाए. That is hiding. So what does mother said? Mother said, don't worry, not to worry, baby. Might be she is playing with you again. So don't cry. Then you know what happened. Everybody starts looking for Polly. Everybody starts searching for Polly. सबने Polly को ढूंढना शुरू करा. Rani finds an empty box moving. Who found an empty box moving? Rani, the mother. She found an empty box. There was an empty box. खाली box था और वो अपने आप move कर रहा था. क्या ये possible है कोई box अपने आप move कर रहा हो? No. She opens the box. Who opens the box? Rani, the mom, the mother. She opens the box. Do you know who she finds inside? Who was there in the box? Do you know? Polly. Polly was there inside the box. She was hiding inside the empty box. Polly कहाँ पे hide हो रही थी? Inside the empty box. Now Rani scolds Polly for hiding inside the box. What Rani did? Rani, the mother, she scolds Polly, the catty, for hiding inside the box. Rani said, oh, why you were hiding? Just like your mom scolds you, na? The same way. But everybody is happy to have Polly back. You know what? Now everyone is happy to find Polly back again. सबको Polly को देखकर वापस Polly जब मिल गई बॉक्स में से, now everyone was very happy. I am very happy. Mummy has found Polly. Who said this? Ria said she was very happy. So she told to everyone, now I am very happy. Why? Because Mummy has found Polly back again for me. So now Ria finally became very happy to find her catty back again. So what we have read today, we have read about a story about Ria's family and how they all live together in a family. There are many people in the same family and they live together, work together and enjoy the daily life. That's all for today's class. See you the next time.